There you are, just trying to cook a nice meal, cutting up some onions, and bam! Your eyes start leaking like you just watched Jack freeze in Titanic. But why? Welcome back to Explain Like I'm Dance, where science gets served with a side of sass. Today's question is one we've all cried over. Literally. Why do onions make us cry? Let's peel some layers off this mystery, shall we? First of all, it's not your fault. Weeping over your dinner prep is not a sign that you're weak, unless you're also crying at insurance commercials. Now you see, inside the onion are special little cells just living their best life. When you come along with your giant knife like a serial killer and slice them open, you're basically breaking those cells. Being the vengeful little drama queens that they are, they start mixing up some enzymes, or let's just call it special juices, and release a nasty chemical that flies right up and hits your eyeballs like you just pepper sprayed yourself. Now that nasty chemical that we're talking about, scientists call it synpropanethyl S oxide. What a mouthful, because apparently onion tear gas didn't sound fancy enough for their lab coats. Anyway, when that onion gas hits the water in your eyes, it forms sulfuric acid. Yeah, not enough to burn holes in your skull, alright, but just enough to make your eyes freak out and produce tears to flush out that chemical. So you cry, not from emotion, but from pure biochemical betrayal. Now if you ask me, how do I stop this vegetable from attacking me? Now you can try a few tricks, like you can chill the onion first, because cold slows down the gas attack, or use a sharp knife because less crushing equals less gas released, or cut under a fan or near running water so you can send those fumes elsewhere, or buy pre-chopped onions because you've just given up. But let's be real, if you're cooking, tears are part of the deal. Just blame the onion and cry like a champ. So now you know onions make you cry because they release a chemical that turns into acid in your eyes. You're just a victim of tear gas attack from a sneaky little vegetable. Impress your friends, rattle your relatives, or just play this on loop to make the onions feel bad. Until next time, stay curious, stay wild, and for the love of science, those magic goggles from late night TV aren't gonna stop the tears. Trust me, I tried.